My name is William Reseda. I am an exercise physiologist for a medical center in New Jersey, and I am on my way to becoming a Linux system administrator. My name is William Reseda. I am an exercise physiologist for a medical center in New Jersey, which is basically a college educated personal trainer, usually in a personal training studio. But I also, on the side, work as a personal trainer in a private studio, and on the weekends, I deliver for Amazon. So actually, during the pandemic, I kind of got lucky. I had an increase of free time, so I found myself doing a lot of small projects and updates to the house, making it more of like a smart home, and buying like my first personal cloud device. And I had a small issue with that said cloud device, and I ended up doing some troubleshooting and fixing it on my own using some YouTube videos and stuff that I found on Reddit. And it got me to thinking that I could do this possibly for a career. So again, during quarantine and being at home, I was doing research on different stuff that I could do in different fields of IT. And I've always been interested in technology and cloud and automation. So I was looking into different pathways I could possibly do to get into IT. Well, the biggest challenge would be given all the jobs that I'm working is time and energy. So it's, that's definitely time and energy. I'd say it was the biggest thing. Just looking at different outcomes and different career possibilities, which is one of the first things we did when deciding to go into Yellowtail. Juby did a great job of letting you know what your options would be once you're finished with the career training and everything. And it will allow me to go from three jobs to one so that I could not have to work 60, 70-hour work weeks. It's awesome. It makes it, more fun when you are having those long days at work. You come home and you're actually looking forward to seeing the class and seeing the instructors. They make it really intuitive, really fun. So definitely enjoying it. Well, the biggest advice that I could share is because I loved what I did, especially with the exercise physiology, working at a physical therapy company for years, and I love personal training as well. But you could love a job, but I don't think anyone really has a dream of working nonstop. So I always joke with my friends, I don't have a dream job per se, but I dream of being able to be financially free. And so unfortunately, a lot of jobs that are out there, they're not enough. So you end up having a part-time job or a side hustle, which is big nowadays. But Linux is definitely a great way and a great entry point, not only into IT, but getting interested in cloud computing, automation, and all that stuff. So it's definitely a great way to start for sure.